Hey, this is Joshua Ingalls with eXp Realty, and I'm in Elmwood Park. I'm going to take you to a home that's currently under construction, where they did a complete renovation and will be finished here in just a few weeks. This home has been renovated from top to bottom with new siding, new windows, new roof, new electrical, new plumbing, and a new HVAC system. This home has a huge open concept, and they even added a dormer in the back for a massive master suite. Let's go inside and check out the house. As you can see, they're still doing construction in the home, and they got permits for everything, so you know the work was done right. On this main level, there's hardwood flooring throughout and recessed lighting. The home also features an additional 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom on the main level. And this kitchen is going to be immaculate with a large island and a huge breakfast area. This is going to be spectacular. Let's go upstairs and check that out. One of my favorite things about this property is the extra wide custom staircase. On the second level, you're going to find its very own laundry room and 2 large bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. In the master bedroom suite, it has 2 large closets and a master bath suite, which features a double bowl vanity and beautiful custom tile work. This immaculate home will not last long if it hits the market. You definitely want to get a jump ahead, and I could take you through the entire construction process of everything that's going to happen in this home. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at the information below. This is Joshua Ingalls with eXp Realty, and I'll see you at the next virtual tour.